I want to show you Sabu from behind, from afar, and I want to show you how gorgeous he is. He's a great weight. Yeah. Hi, baby. I see you have the ball. Yeah, you. So loving. What a delicious boy. What should we do with that ball? Yep, you got it. That's your ball. Should I get it for you? Go get it. You got it. Good boy. Look at that tail. Look at that butt. Yep. He just wants human interaction. He's a love. Hi, baby. I love you too. Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Yeah. This is Sabu. Yeah. Look at that tushy. Look at that tushy. Look at that tushy.